Tired of seeing the same default homepage every time you open DuckDuckGo? Here's how to change it in under a minute. All right, so here's the plan. We're going to open up the settings, find the homepage option, and set it to whatever custom URL you want. Just follow along step by step. Let's start by launching your DuckDuckGo browser. Go ahead and open it up like you normally would. Doesn't matter what page you land on. We're about to fix that. Now, look in the top right corner of the window. See those three little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other? That's the menu icon. Give that a click. From the menu that pops up, you'll want to select Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. One click on that, and we're in. All right. On the left side of the settings window, you'll see a sidebar with a few different categories. Click on General. That's where the homepage controls live. Once you're in the General section, just scroll down a bit. You should see a section clearly labeled Homepage. This is the control center for what happens when you start the browser or open a new window. Now, here's where you have a choice. You can either keep it set to open the new tab page by default, or you can set a specific page. The new tab page is that clean search bar you see when you open a fresh tab. But if you want something different, like your favorite news site or a productivity dashboard, then you want the custom option. So if you want to use a custom page, look for the Set Page button and click it. A little text field will appear. Just type or paste in the full web address you want to use. Make sure you include the HTTPS part. So for example, if you wanted Google, you'd type in https://www.google.com. Got it? Good. Finally, click the OK button to save your change. That's it. You've set a new homepage. Now, the next time you open DuckDuckGo, it should go straight to the site you chose instead of the default one. And if you ever want to change it again, you know exactly where to go. Settings, General, and that homepage section. I've walked through this on a few different systems, and it works the same every time. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and try it out yourself. It takes less than a minute.